Have you ever glanced at your car and wondered why are tires always black? It's a question that might seem trivial at first glance, but it actually opens up a fascinating chapter in the history of automotive technology. It seems like such a basic question, yet the answer unveils a fascinating story of innovation, material science, and a touch of historical coincidence. Tires weren't always black. In the early days of the automobile, tires were actually white. This was because the natural color of rubber is a milky white. The earliest pneumatic or air-filled tires were a pristine white. These early tires were visually striking against the backdrop of early automobiles. They added a touch of elegance and sophistication to the vehicles of the time. However, this aesthetic appeal came at a cost. The white tires were not very durable and would quickly become dirty and worn out from the rough and unpaved roads. The natural rubber used in these tires was not very strong and would wear out quickly. This led to the search for a solution to make tires more durable. It wouldn't be long before a new material revolutionized the tire industry and changed the color of driving forever. The introduction of carbon black, a material that significantly increased the durability and lifespan of tires, was a game changer. This material not only made the tires stronger, but also gave them their characteristic black color. And that's why today we see black tires on almost every vehicle on the road. The first pneumatic tires, invented in the late 19th century, were made primarily of natural rubber. This innovation marked a significant leap forward in transportation technology, providing a much smoother and more comfortable ride compared to the solid rubber or metal tires that preceded them. This rubber gave the tires their distinctive off-white or beige color. The aesthetic was unique and easily recognizable, setting these early tires apart from anything that had come before. Natural rubber, while groundbreaking in its ability to provide a smoother ride, was incredibly susceptible to wear and tear. The constant friction and pressure from the road surface quickly took their toll, leading to frequent replacements and repairs. The elements were particularly unkind to these early tires. Rain, snow, and extreme temperatures could cause the rubber to degrade rapidly, making them unreliable in adverse weather conditions. Exposure to sunlight caused the rubber to become brittle and crack. Ultraviolet rays from the sun would break down the molecular structure of the rubber, leading to a loss of elasticity and strength. Dirt and dust, unavoidable on unpaved roads, easily stained the white rubber. These stains were not just cosmetic, they could also indicate deeper damage to the tire's structure. This made the tires look unsightly, and more importantly, significantly reduced their lifespan. The constant need for maintenance and replacement made these early pneumatic tires a costly and labor-intensive option. The search was on for a solution that could reinforce the rubber, increase its durability, and perhaps even address the aesthetic challenges posed by the white color. Scientists and engineers experimented with various additives and compounds to find a more resilient material. The answer, as it turned out, was black. By adding carbon black to the rubber compound, manufacturers were able to create tires that were not only more durable and resistant to wear, but also less prone to staining and degradation from the elements. This marked the beginning of the modern tire as we know it today. In the early 20th century, tire manufacturers made a pivotal discovery. The addition of carbon black to rubber dramatically improved tire performance. Carbon black is a fine powdery substance produced by the incomplete combustion of fossil fuels. It's essentially pure carbon in a very fine, almost soot-like form. When added to rubber, carbon black acts as a reinforcing agent, binding with the rubber molecules and creating a much stronger, more resilient material. This discovery marked a turning point in tire technology, ushering in an era of significantly more durable and longer-lasting tires. The addition of carbon black to tire rubber had an almost immediate and profound impact on tire durability. Tires infused with carbon black could withstand significantly more wear and tear compared to their white, natural rubber counterparts. The carbon black acted as a shield, protecting the rubber from abrasion caused by contact with the road surface. This increased durability translated into a longer lifespan for tires. Drivers no longer had to replace their tires as frequently, making automobiles more practical and cost-effective for everyday use. The enhanced durability offered by carbon black paved the way for longer road trips, and made driving a more viable mode of transportation over long distances. Beyond durability, carbon black brought with it a surprising array of additional benefits. One of the most significant was its ability to dissipate heat. Tires generate a tremendous amount of heat due to friction with the road surface, especially at higher speeds. This heat, if not managed, can degrade the rubber and lead to tire failure. Carbon black proved exceptionally efficient at absorbing and dissipating this heat, preventing dangerous heat buildup within the tire. This heat resistance contributed further to the increased lifespan of tires and made driving at higher speeds safer. Additionally, carbon black provided increased resistance to the damaging effects of ultraviolet radiation from the sun, further protecting the tire from cracking and deterioration. The practical benefits of carbon black extended beyond the purely technical. The black color itself proved advantageous in several ways. Firstly, it effectively masked the dirt and grime that inevitably accumulated on tires from road use. Unlike their white counterparts, black tires didn't show every speck of dust or stain, keeping them looking newer for longer. This aesthetic advantage contributed to the overall perception of the car. Secondly, the ubiquitous use of carbon black standardized the look of tires, making them instantly recognizable as a crucial component of any vehicle. The black color became synonymous with durability, reliability, and the ability to withstand the rigors of the road. While black reigns supreme in the world of tires, it's worth noting that colored tires haven't vanished entirely. In the realm of concept cars and high-performance vehicles, we occasionally catch a glimpse of tires adorned in vibrant hues. These tires, often incorporating silica or other advanced materials, demonstrate that color can be combined with performance. However, these instances are primarily for aesthetic purposes and often come with a premium price tag. The mass production and cost-effectiveness of carbon black continue to make it the most practical and widely used material in tire manufacturing. Black tires remain the standard, a testament to the enduring legacy of this simple yet powerful material. The next time you see a car, truck, or bicycle speed by, take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero beneath it all, the humble black tire. Its dominance in the automotive world isn't a matter of mere coincidence or aesthetics. The black tire is a testament to the power of material science and the ingenuity of early engineers who discovered a solution that revolutionized transportation. The story of the black tire begins with the discovery of carbon black, a material that has been instrumental in enhancing the durability, heat resistance, and UV protection of tires. This discovery was not just a minor tweak, but a groundbreaking innovation that set the stage for modern tire technology. Early engineers, working in rudimentary conditions, managed to harness the properties of carbon black to create tires that could withstand the rigors of the road. Their work laid the foundation for the reliable and long-lasting tires we depend on today. Carbon black, with its ability to enhance durability, heat resistance, and UV protection, has earned its place as the backbone of tire technology. This material is produced through a complex industrial process that ensures its quality and effectiveness. In modern tire factories, the manufacturing process has been refined to perfection. Each tire is crafted with precision, incorporating carbon black to ensure it meets the highest standards of performance and safety. While we may see flashes of color in concept cars and specialized vehicles, these are often more about making a statement or showcasing new technologies. In the real world, where practicality and reliability are paramount, black tires continue to reign supreme. Black tires will likely remain the standard for the foreseeable future, a symbol of practicality, reliability, and the enduring quest for better, safer driving. They are a constant in a world of ever-changing automotive trends. The black tire is more than just a component, it's a symbol of the journey we've taken in automotive technology. From the early days of motoring to the high-tech vehicles of today, black tires have been a reliable companion. As we look to the future, the black tire will continue to be a cornerstone of safe and efficient driving, embodying the advancements in material science and engineering that make our journeys possible. The story of the black tire reminds us that even the most commonplace objects have fascinating histories and hidden complexities. It encourages us to look beyond the surface and explore the ingenuity and scientific breakthroughs that shape our world. From the materials that compose our homes to the technology we use daily, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be discovered if we simply take the time to ask, why? So next time you encounter an everyday object, don't take it for granted. Delve into its history, unravel its mysteries, and appreciate the often overlooked marvels that make our modern lives possible. You might be surprised by what you discover. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden stories of everyday objects, don't forget to like this video and follow us for more fascinating insights.